there was a crossroad turning on a countryside road where I asked you to turn right. So what happened there? You stopped and you allowed those cars to go. Remember that?
Yes.
Why is it?
Because they weren't going to stop for me.
Why they're not going to stop for you?
Because you can just sort of tell by the sort of car's body language, if that sort of makes sense.
So look on the right side. What is the double white line means? Look on where the test center gate is. What is a double white line means when they paint on the floor? Can you see that?
Junction.
What is a double white line means?
Stop.
Give way. So if you're coming out from there,
yeah, you've got to stop because it's a junction. You've got to stop and wait for.
So if same thing here, there's a give way line there. So on that crossroad junction, do they have a give way line there?
Yes.
So we give it to them or they give it to us?
They should have given way to us.
So why you think they will keep going now then?
Because we stopped.
Because you're hesitating, you're letting them go.
Right.
They can see your body behavior that you are letting them go. That's why they keep going.
Right.
But technically, whose priority was it to go right? Yours. The only time you're not allowed to go right if there was any car coming and you crossing their path. So again, that would have been a serious fault as well because we were holding the traffic behind that time. Do you notice that?
Yes.